Forget expensive PCs and complicated software. What if I told you that right now, people are creating stunning designs from nothing but their phones? While others are attached to their desktops, smart creators are pumping out viral thumbnails and posters anywhere and anytime. And today, I'm exposing their secret weapon. Stick around until the end where I'll show you my secret technique for adding professional-looking text and styling that makes your design pop. Trust me, you won't find this anywhere else. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm gonna use two websites, actually three websites, and one that is more like an app, but it also has a mobile version. So the first website is called Ideogram, which is this one. In this website, you can easily log in with your Google account, and basically you get 10 credits every week, which is about 40 images. Also, you can pay if you want. They have these different packages. If we go to the home page, we have this explore section with all the images that the community shares. So for example, this one with the Joker, which is really nice. And here you have the different variations at the bottom. And you can also see the prompt that they use. Okay, so let's start creating our first image. Let's say that we want to create a thumbnail of a news about the launch of the SpaceX rocket last week. Just an example. And here we can change the aspect ratio. Let's do it 16:9 and see what it generates. Wow, and here are the results. In less than 30 seconds, we have these results. Okay, so it even added text on top of the image, which is awesome. And then let's change here to another style using this photorealism and see what it does. And here are the results. Wow, the quality of the images, I don't know which model they use, but it seems that it's kind of like a Flux or one of these models. And also has this magic prompt, which enhance or help to improve your prompt. This is the first website. Another website that I also use is called Recraft, and I actually like it better. In Recraft, here I already installed the app. It's actually a shortcut to the mobile version. So let's do the same prompt, saying that we need a thumbnail of a video for the SpaceX launch rocket. And then we just leave it as a noise style. It uses this raw 3 Recraft V3 raw, which is supposed to be better than Flux, which is one of the best models at this moment. Okay, let's see what it does. And same aspect ratio to 16:9 and see what it does. Wow, it's very similar as the other website, the Ideogram. Okay, let's change the style. Let's do it with photorealism and see what it does. Same prompt. It's pretty similar. It's almost the same. And here, as you can see, they have a lot of different styles. Let's choose this one, illustration, and see the result. Wow, actually I like this much more better because it looks like this kind of 60s, you know, like a NASA poster. So let's use this one as example. Okay, so once we have our images, the next step is to do the text and the styling. In this case, I'm gonna use Canva. Canva also has their mobile version, because actually in Recraft you can also do all the design, but for the mobile version you cannot do that. For the mobile version you can only generate images, but you cannot create text or anything like that. But if you want to learn how to do all those things in Recraft, check out my other video in this link. Okay, so now we go to Canva, and in Canva I already have my template for the design that I want to do for this thumbnail. So pretty much it's very easy. We just import our image, and then we flip it. We flip the rocket to be on the other side, so it's not covered by the text. And then we flip it, and here I have this frame, which is already used in my other thumbnails, and here simply we change the text saying like a SpaceX launch success. Okay, and that's it. It's as simple as that, and everything done only in your mobile. So for example, if you are not in front of the computer, or you need a quick design, this is one of the best options I can give you right now. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get updated on my new videos. And remember, the AI of today is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. See you guys next time. Bye bye.